Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorials. This is Kyra and today we are doing the last video in our Christmas crafting series where I made a bunch of different crafts this year to put on a garland. So this video is just going to really quick be showing you, the final product and how it all came together. So if you haven't seen already, I have a playlist listed down in the description box below showing you how to make all of these individual little Christmas crafts, and I've seen people say that they were using these to decorate their trees or to decorate journals or cards. I specifically made them with the idea of creating a garland, so I'm going to go ahead and begin by taking a piece of string here, and I tied a loop on the end, and I'm adding these little Christmas stars by just kind of pulling the string underneath one of the folds in the back of the star like this. And it just hangs onto my little string. And I'm going to add about 3 or 4 of those in between each of my little decorative pieces here. And I did make it so that each of these has a loop so that it can hang on a Christmas garland just like this. And with the little stars, they actually kind of end up looking almost like popcorn. Like if you've ever seen a popcorn garland, it's not perfectly even and straight. They kind of have like a messy look to them. So that's just something to be aware of when putting this together. It's perfectly normal. And I used a water bottle filled with some water to help kind of hold my garland in place so it didn't tangle when I was adding things onto it. So just something you can loop the end onto might help with that. But here is what it looks like when it's all finished. Sorry, the lighting's a little bit messy. It was kind of getting dark out by the time I finished this, but kind of just a cute little fun craft. So thank you so much for following along with me this December, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.